KATC Weather Lab. Here's Eric's forecast.
Just like the past couple nights, we had another little round of some light showers, kind of a mist developed just after sunset between that 7 and 8:30 round as we pushed into the evening. But most of the rain has now come to an end across Acadiana. Do expect maybe a few more showers during the overnight and into the first half of our Sundays. We still have the old weak frontal boundary making its way in and across Acadiana. Then that'll kind of stall out, keeping slight rain chances into the first half before our next strong cold front arrives by Wednesday and the Thursday. Now, today's front did produce a round of severe weather back through northern portions of Louisiana, back into Arkansas, Mississippi, and Alabama, where we did have about a handful of weak tornadoes touch down, more or less your EF0s, EF1s, that caused some minor damage to some trees and tore off some tin roofs back through North Louisiana, Arkansas, and over into Mississippi, but not those powerful tornadoes that we saw like last week that caused the widespread deaths back through Alabama and into Georgia. So a little better situation today. You can see the dynamics now working a little bit more up to the north and northeast. That's where the heavy rains are now pushing into the mid-Atlantic. And that's taking the energy away from our cold front that is trying to move through our area, but it just doesn't have the forcing. So it's kind of losing its steam. And so we're seeing those showers kind of fall apart and not really being able to make their way down into Acadiana. You can see that thin line of showers has pretty much remained just to our north and northwest, and it hasn't been able to make its way down is because there's no winds in the upper levels to push that system down across our area. But I do expect later on tonight we will eventually begin to see that line slowly try to make its way through. Could fire up. You see a few scattered showers around 3:30, 4 o'clock in the morning. Again, we're not looking at anything too impressive with this, just some light showers moving through. Some of that will be with us first thing in the morning around 7 o'clock, but the sun won't be rising with the daylight saving time until 7:30. That's when we finally maybe get a little better forcing and still could keep a few isolated showers into around 11, 12 o'clock tomorrow morning. Now, before that front gets here, and while we still have a lot of low-level moisture in the atmosphere, fog will be another issue through the morning, especially interstate on southward. You'll have the better chance to see the dense fog developing with visibilities dropping below a half mile in many locations. So that is another concern we'll have to worry about waking up tomorrow morning. So maybe give yourself a couple extra minutes. Quickly, that fog will begin to mix out as we head a little later on into the morning. So that front tries to move through, but basically turns into a stationary front. Still could keep a few isolated to hit or miss showers through the first thing of our Sunday. The showers begin to die out as we push into the afternoon, but with that front still with us, we'll keep about a 30% chance for some hit or miss showers through the afternoon into the evening. I think as we push into the evening like we saw tonight, a little better chance to see some of those isolated showers develop as we have a little bit of that mixing and the temperatures and dew points come a little closer together. Through the overnight into Monday, that front waffles down a little bit, so maybe a dry start to our Monday. Then as it lifts back up to the north, a few more showers might be possible, but you do see better chance for the rain looks to be north of Alexandria, up across Shreveport to Monroe towards the I-20 corridor Monday afternoon. That's where the Euro paints the rain as well. Dry out on Tuesday, so it does look like Tuesday we get a break from the rain. Clouds still with us, warm and humid temperatures in those mid-70s. Then by Wednesday, here comes our next strong cold front producing a round of severe weather. Weather that looks to be bad is going to be East Texas up into Arkansas, as again the forcing with this drives more up to the north, so it looks to be north Mississippi, Arkansas, up towards Memphis and Tennessee for the main severe weather threat. We'll be on the backside, so just getting some isolated showers. Like tonight, the front kind of stalls out and has trouble working its way through, so we'll keep hit or miss showers in the Thursday afternoon before eventually the front pushes in late Thursday. That's when we could get some of the strong thunderstorms to develop in and across our areas. You do see some of those yellows and maybe even some orange trying to develop, so that does show the potential for at least some stronger storms Thursday night into the first half of Friday. Then slowly the front clears out Friday afternoon, and then behind it we do get some cooler temperatures to move in just in time for next weekend, but it does look like sunshine for next weekend for St. Patrick's Day. So overcast and mild tonight with a few scattered showers, 66 for that overnight low with fog developing after midnight as we head closer to daybreak. Another spring-like day after we get some of those morning showers out of here, warm and humid. Could even have a few peaks of sunshine late in the day. 77 is where I'll go for the high. Low rain chances, but still there Monday and Tuesday with temperatures warm and humid in the mid-70s. Better rain chances late Wednesday and again on Thursday as that front begins to work through. Overnight Thursday and the Fridays when we have the best chance for maybe a thunderstorm or two into Acadiana. Then we dry out heading into next weekend, but you do see the temperatures take a little bit of dip, so winter might return for at least a few days with overnight lows getting down into those 40s once again. So don't put away the heavy coats or jackets just yet, as you might need them by next weekend, but it does look like sunshine returning to the area.
All right, so are you ready to spring forward?
I'm